What's up, guys? This is the Network back with another video, and today we're talking about how you can go from building your credit to scaling multiple businesses and securing real estate, all using the exact methods we teach in our mentorship program. Now, this isn't just theory, this is real, actionable info that you can apply to your life right now to start building wealth. And tonight, I'm opening up our mentorship at the lowest price we've offered this year, $1,500 for full access to everything you need to level up. I'm about to walk you through the process of what we teach in our mentorship, from building business credit to leveraging your personal credit, and even how to get into real estate. Everything we teach works together, so it's not just random tips. This is a full, structured system that feeds into itself. Let's break it down. So first things first, we start with business credit. This is the foundation of everything you'll be able to do. The reason business credit is so important is that it gives you access to high-limit approvals, which will then allow you to fund your business and make moves that others can't. The process of building business credit is simple, but a lot of people mess it up by skipping steps. Here's how you do it. Set up your LLC and get an EIN. This is essential because you need to have a legal business structure to build business credit. We'll show you how to do this in the mentorship. Set up a virtual office or real address. This gives your business a legitimate presence and improves your credibility. Get Net 30 accounts with vendors like Uline, Granger, and Quill. These are the easiest places to start, and they report to the business credit bureaus, which helps you build a strong credit profile quickly. Get a business credit card. Ideally one that reports to the business bureaus. This can be tough to get at first, but once you have those Net 30 accounts, it becomes easier. This is the key to unlocking business funding. The higher your business credit profile, the easier it is to get higher limit credit cards and loans, which you can use to fund everything from equipment purchases to advertising. Once you've got your business credit set up, you can start personal, guaranteeing it with your CP. Now let's talk about CPS, credit privacy numbers. The way CPs work is that they let you build a separate credit profile, which is crucial for anyone who's had issues with their personal credit or just wants to keep their business and personal credit separate. Here's how we set up a CP for you. Create your CP file. This is a step-by-step process that we show you in the mentorship. You'll get a full, ready-to-use CP file, including an email address and public records setup. Add trade lines. We'll give you 2 initial AU trade lines that will give you a strong starting score. This is crucial because it builds your profile fast, and with the right methods, you'll be able to add more trade lines and boost your score even higher. Match the CP to a county and DOB. This is one of the most important steps. If your CP is mismatched with the county and date of birth, it won't work for anything serious. But when it's set up properly, it's ready to be used to get approved for primaries, whether for business or personal needs. Once your CP is set up and you have the necessary trade lines, you can start using it to apply for business and personal credit. This is where the beauty of the system comes together. By using your CP for personal guarantees, you can open doors to even higher business credit limits, which then leads to even more funding opportunities. Now, business credit and CP both lead to one thing: liquidation. Liquidation is how you take those higher credit limits and turn them into real money, which you can then use to invest back into your business, pay off debt, or fund personal expenses. We have a full liquidation method that you'll learn in the mentorship, but here's a quick rundown of how it works. Use your business credit to buy products at wholesale prices. This can be anything from iPhones to luxury goods or equipment you can resell. Resell the products at retail prices. The goal is to flip them for a profit and pay down your business or personal debt. Use the profits to grow your business or build your credit. You're essentially recycling the same capital and using it to boost your profile and make more money. Once you get the hang of liquidation, you'll be able to scale your business and leverage it for even bigger investments such as real estate. Here's the next step: real estate. Once you've built your business credit and personal credit with your CP, you can use both of them to qualify for real estate loans. This is a game changer because real estate is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Here's how we set this up. Leverage business credit for down payments. Your business credit can be used to secure loans that you can then use for real estate, down payments, or repairs. Use personal credit for mortgages. Your personal credit, once built using CP strategies and trade lines, will help you qualify for better mortgage rates and larger loans. Rent or flip properties for profit. With access to the right funding, you'll be able to buy, renovate, and either flip or rent out properties, all while using your business and personal credit to fund it. And this is where it all comes full circle. By leveraging your business credit, CPs, and personal credit, you can scale your business, invest in real estate, and liquidate at a high level. And once you've made your first few profitable moves, you can rinse and repeat the process. This is the exact strategy we teach in the Network Mentorship, and I'm opening up only 5 spots tonight for $1,500. This is the lowest price we've ever offered, and once you're in, you'll get access to all of the methods, step-by-step guidance, and live support you need to execute these strategies in real time. Don't miss this chance. The information in this mentorship will set you up for life. If you're ready to take your credit, business, and investments to the next level, join now before the deal is gone. This is your opportunity to build wealth with the right tools and guidance.